What if the world's most powerful weapon wasn't a sword, but knowledge? Welcome to the world of law at CGC Mohali, where future legal champions are crafted. Here, we don't just teach law, we shape leaders, innovators, and defenders of justice. If you aspire to make an impact, advocate for fairness, and decode the intricacies of the legal landscape, then CGC Mohali is the place for you. Whether you are pursuing an LLB or one of our innovative integrated programs like BA LLB, BCom LLB, or BBA LLB, our courses are designed to equip you with a profound understanding of law, complemented by exceptional faculty, cutting edge facilities, and a dynamic campus environment that fosters your passion for justice. What truly sets us apart is our commitment to real world exposure. We regularly host distinguished delegates from the legal field, including senior judges, eminent lawyers, and legal scholars, offering you unparalleled insights through guest lectures, seminars, and workshops. Plus, our legal aid clinic and moot court provide you with hands-on opportunities to engage with the real cases, enhancing your learning experience. Upon graduation, you will be equipped for a diverse range of career opportunities, including become a litigation attorney, corporate counselor, advocate, legal advisor, or legal analyst. Our curriculum integrates practical experiences like internship with top law firms, moot court competitions, legal research, and life projects, nurturing your analytical thinking, critical reasoning, and persuasive communication skills. CGC Mohali is where your passion for justice finds its true calling and your journey to making a difference begins.